Naiinis ako. Do not drink mo. Hindi ko alam kung keme-keme lang nila to or talagang do not drink.
Department of Magic.
So, sabi dito, this magical love potion is particularly tricky to get right, depending on your riddle skills. However, if you're wise and your love is true, potion number 9 reveals itself to hold exceptionally powerful magic. Right now, internet lovers. Ano akong ballpen? So, shake the ground stardust 10 times into the bubbling. So, yung stardust? Ay, eto. Shake the ground stardust 10 times. Oh my God! Mali agad. Shake the ground stardust 10 times. Agad ang bobo. Hindi talaga ako papasan dito sa Hogwarts. Bobo. Shake the ground stardust 10 times. Dito. Right? Tama ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bubbling daw eh, okay? And add your lover's name. Girl! Isulat ko rin yung pangalan dito nung aking bibiktimahin. So, let's write the name. Sino mang bibiktimahin mo? Bikta mo talaga. Paano? Do not drink. Ito ba yung ink? Ang hirap. Ano daw to? Do not drink. Girl, meron sila nito. Isusulit yung pangalan. Una namang ink. So, I will try this. Ano ba to? Sige, lagyan na natin yung pangalan. Okay. Tapos, 3 colorless bottles sit before you. Select wisely. So, meron 3 potion. I have to select wisely daw. Yung mali-mali na talaga. 3 colorless bottles sit before you. Select wisely, and if your love is true, the magical effect will be immediate apparent. If you witness the magic too early, your love will be short-lived. Select the correct vial. Last for your love to be eternal. Siguro ko, by the looks of it, pink is for love. So, ubusin ko ba? O, ayan. Ubusin ko ba? Okay. Sige. And then, first, add the essence of Saturn. Saan yung essence of Saturn dito? Ito siguro yun. Kasi natakot ako sa mga ganito, baka kasi totoo yung sinasabi nilang. Sabi, do not drink. Tapos inumin. Sige, halo-halo dahil. Hindi ko ba to? Naiinis ako. Do not drink mo. Hindi ko alam kung keme-keme lang nila to or talagang do not drink. Sige daw.